We are here for the Cross-InCUbation week in Vienna. We are come from Belgium and we spend a lot of time for networking, workshop. It's really interesting for us and our project.
I decided to join the program because it was an opportunity to discover a new city in Europe, but also to connect with fellow students that are also entrepreneurs and discover their project and get some feedback about mine.
I decided to join the program because I was so interested by this opportunity to meet other people who are also thinking about making a startup, and I wanted to meet powerful women, powerful men who have these incredible ideas.
So far I learned about how to build a kick-ass team, but also about value proposition and the business model for my startup.
I find it very rich to see how we all tackle the same problems, but sometimes in a different way or with different tools regarding like what we have in our own countries and the differences we have in the entrepreneurial ecosystem.
It's really nice to connect with people from other countries, to connect about professional things but also personal things.
You should first look at the Instagram Circle U and also apply for those events.
So my one advice to go is like, do not be shy, be confident and come here, it will be worth it.